All right, greetings. Welcome to this video. Today we're going to be reviewing very quickly something called a Yoto. This is an automatic storytelling little device for kiddos, and overall, highly recommend it. So let me show you around quickly, and I'll also show you the app. But it's basically this little device. It's portable. It plugs into the wall as well. It's got a rechargeable battery inside. And here's our 3-year-old. We had a camp out, a little fort in our living room, and here he is listening to it. But the concept is simple. They come with these little cards, and you have to pay for the cards. I'll put a link down below for some cards that we recommend, a little packet that we got, and of course the device itself if you are interested. But 2 buttons, really kid-friendly: volume and chapter advancement. So you can press those and turn them, turn it off, turn it on. So really incredibly simple to use. Now this thing does boast being able to record your own story. So for parents out there who want to record a story, they actually read the story, it records it, and then your kid can put that card in and play it at any time. So it's pretty cool. Here's the app. It automatically syncs up with the cards that you have purchased, so you can control whether it plays, stops, volume, etc. from your device. And you can also record your own through the app just like this to load it onto those blank cards. There's free podcasts that you can listen to. There's a lot of paid content as well. We haven't gotten too deeply in it. It's kind of expensive to buy your own, but it's got a lot of free stuff too, including a radio and, more importantly, sleep sounds. This is awesome. When your kiddos are done listening to the story at bedtime, for example, you can switch it over to a sleep sound story. And the sleep sounds are really interesting. Like there's like a Argentine forest or something, or rural France, camping in rural France. It's a really unique sleep sounds. Now, the charging device is magnetic, so it's really easy for your kiddo to pick it up, and like I said, it's portable, so that's a nice feature. They can carry it around the house and listen to it at various points during the day. But that's basically the review. Highly recommended, kind of a hot little toy or a device, so to speak, for kiddos, and we really like it. So hopefully this video has been helpful. For more home product reviews, be sure to subscribe.